Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DC Study IQ. In this video we are going to see how to solve this type of questions. We are discussing 4 type of method to solve this kind of problems. So let's start one by one. So the question is, if 4556 square is this particular number, then 4577 square is. So let's watch how to solve this problem. So first we are going to analyze the options. By analyzing the options, we can see that the option C, that is 20, 93, 96, 77. We can see that the option C is less than this number. So obviously the option C will not be the answer. So we can conclude option C is not possible. By analyzing the option, we can only get into this conclusion. So we have to find another method to solve this problem. So second method is last digit method. So by squaring the 7, we know the last digit should be 9. By going through the options, option A is last digit 9, option B last digit is 9, and option D last digit is 9, and option C last digit is 7. So only we can understand that option C is not possible. So last digit method also fails to solve this problem. So moving to the next method. Next method is sum of digit method. So first we are calculating the sum of digit. 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7. Since 4 plus 5 is 9, we don't need to consider 9. So we are finding 7 plus 7, 14. 14 sum of digit is 5. 5 square is 25. So the answer sum of digit should be 7. By analyzing all the options, we are getting the sum of digit 7. So we cannot use this method for finding the solution. Also you can note that the option A, option B, option D, the digits are same. Only thing they do is they just interchange the numbers. Here 8929, here 9829, and here 9289. So by looking at the options, we need to understand whether the sum of digit method is applicable or not. If you see the same number, same digit in all options, then you don't need to waste time by counting the sum of digit. Okay. So moving to the last method. So last method is finding the square. So we already tried 3 methods for finding the squares of the number, but we failed. So we need to find by multiplying the numbers. That is 4577 into 4577. Just kidding. In any competitive exam, please don't waste by multiplying these numbers. Okay. I am going to teach you a new method to find the solution for this kind of problems. So in this question, we can see that they have already given this 4576 square as this number. So using this number, we need to find the 4557 square. That is just an adjacent digit of this number. So what we are going to do is, we are just adding 4576 and 4577 to this number. and here you can see we are getting the answer 2948 929. So this is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. So this method is very useful for finding if an adjacent number square is already given. What you have to do is just add that number plus adjacent number. For example, we know 30 square is 900. We have to find 31 square. What we have to do? We have to add 30 plus 31 to the 30 square, that is 900 plus 30 plus 31. We will get 961. Clear? Same way, if you want to find the 29 square, what you have to do is you have to subtract minus 29 minus 30 plus 900. You will get 841. Hope you understand. What you have to do is just adding 29 plus 30, that is 59, and subtracting 59 from the 900. You will get 841. Clear? Okay, how I get into this conclusion? I am going to share you the proof how we can find using this method. So here you can see I am using the equation a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Since the digits are adjacent, a minus b will be 1. Okay, so if you want to find a square, only thing you need to do is b square plus ab. So for this question, we are taking a is 4577 and b is 4576. So for finding the a square, we are just calculating b square, that is already given in the problem, and adding a plus b, that is 4576 and 4577. We will get the answer. Hope you understand this method. If you like this method, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I am going to share a lot of informative videos in this channel for cracking any competitive exams. So please support me by subscribing this channel. Also like this video. Thanks for watching.